Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today we're doing beef back ribs. I happened to be in my local grocery store and they had some fresh beef back ribs that were super thick and meaty. So I'm going to try those because the other ones I've had have been real thin and not a lot of meat. So we're going to do that today, so stick around. Alright, so today we are doing a beef back ribs, and these are the meatiest beef back ribs I've ever seen personally here in town. These are awesome, and so I'm going to do these Texas style. We are going to use Holy Cow from Meat Church Barbecue Rubs, and these guys are freaking awesome. So this is Texas style, a lot of salt, pepper, your basic Texas flavors here. So we are going to just do this up nice. Smell that pepper. Alright, and then we're just going to flip that over and do the other side. Alright, so we are going to put these ribs on here. The Weber Smoky Mountain is running right at 248, so we're just going to let it run that way. I can fit these on here. Yep. Alright, so we've got cherry wood in here. I've got the water pan filled, and we're going to let this run until they are tender and ready to come off. So we'll see how long it takes. Alright, so it has gotten dark out here and we are getting real close to being done with this one here. The internal temp is running at 180. Oh, these are tender. Yes, sirree. Look at the juices coming out of there. Holy smokes. Alright. These are done. I'm going to take these and there we go. Alright, so these ribs are done. Got a lot of good pullback on the bones there. Oh man, they are just juicy. Tender, juicy, got a nice smoke ring. Man, them are juicy. Let's see if I can get, I'm getting my, look at those juices, just, man. And you try this. Oh man. Oh. All right, people. You got to try this. If you haven't tried this, Texas style beef ribs, beef back ribs, delicious. Screaming goodness right here. Check it out. Try it. Enjoy it. I'll talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe. I love you guys, every single one of you. And thank you for subscribing to me and this channel. And keep looking up. God bless y'all. Alright, I'm getting back into this. See you later.